Once you have added luminaires to your network, you can change their configuration in the tab Luminaires. To do that, just double-click on the respective luminaire. In the appearing window, you can now scroll down and select a symbol. This can be an Occhio symbol or your own photo. If you want to use an Occhio icon, simply click on Select Appearance and select the right icon. The Occhio Air app automatically sets the correct name. Here's a little hint. If you use luminaires with an air module, the Occhio Air app does not recognize the model, but the air module. So it is on you to choose the correct name and pick the respective symbol. With Sento luminaires, where the Occhio Air chip sits in the head, the Occhio Air app recognizes only that it is a Sento, but cannot know whether it is a Verticale, a Tavolo, or another model. Again, you have to pick out the model yourself. In the Luminaires tab, you can now move the luminaires to the desired position. To do this, click Edit in the top right. Then just drag the luminaire symbol. Confirm with Done.